You can make a musical instrument out of simple household objects. The idea is to be creative, so you don't have to use exactly what I use. We'll start with a plastic box with a slightly indented top like this, paper clips or something similar that will make noise, rubber bands, and markers, stickers, or other materials to decorate. First, I put the paper clips in the box like this, and then close it. Already I have a percussion instrument that I can tap like a drum or shake like a rattle. This is a good time to decorate the box to make your instrument special and unique. I'll put on some stickers, scribble a little, and then add my initial so everyone knows that it's mine. Now we add strings by wrapping rubber bands around the box. Use as many as you'd like. Put them as close or as far apart as you want. Now you have your own instrument that combines string and two types of percussion.